Unlocking the secret to spotting future price reversals starts with mastering trend lines on TradingView. First, let's locate the drawing tools on your TradingView chart. They're typically found on the left-hand side. Click on the trend line tool. It usually looks like a simple diagonal line. To draw an uptrend line, you'll need to identify at least two upward-sloping price lows. Click your mouse on the first significant low point of the price movement you're analyzing. Now, drag your cursor across the screen and click again on a subsequent, higher low point. TradingView will automatically connect these 2 points with your trend line. This line acts as a visual representation of support as long as the price stays above this line. The uptrend is considered to be intact. A break below this trend line could signal a potential reversal or a change in trend. For a downtrend, the process is reversed. Look for at least 2 downward-sloping price highs. Click your mouse on the first significant high point, and then drag to a subsequent, lower high point. This downward-sloping line acts as resistance while the price remains below this trend line. The bearish trend is likely to continue. A decisive break above this line could suggest a shift towards an uptrend. Remember, trend lines can be drawn on any time frame. From minutes to months, they are dynamic tools that help you anticipate potential turning points and manage your trades with greater confidence.